G'day folks, so we've been a bit quiet of late for a few weeks since we got back from overseas, so you might wonder what we've been doing. We've been trying to sort out the stuff for the van. Poor mum's backyard looks like a sail out of Steptoe and Sons, but anyway, so we've had a fair bit of work done on the van, got the jerry can holders put on the back, had the new tyres put on, and had a wonderful dual jerry can holder and gas bottle holder put on the front. That's pretty specky. So amongst other jobs, we built shelves in the van, built cupboards in the van. Here's Kristen and Mum in the van now. Say hi, Ma.
Hi.
Mum won't stand up, she hates a photo taken. So new mattresses, built a couple of shelves. Kristen's in here packing away slowly. But anyway, it's all getting done. And hopefully we're heading off in a few days. So we'll see you on a track somewhere. See ya.